Today I have Asus laptop, and today I will show how to change Asus laptop battery. And this laptop power backup is very low, that's why I am changing this. And you can see here, and here is a mouse pad. It's tilted up from the body, you can see that. And mouse pad is tilted up from the body, and keyboard also unbalanced. You can see here this portion has tilted up. Okay, let's open this battery and change this. Very simple and easy way. You can do this in your home. Let's open all this screw. After that I will show the laptop battery, how to open the laptop battery. And here is one screw. I need to open this. And you can see here. What is this? Okay, this laptop battery has gone damaged, and this part of the battery, and you feel that, you see that, and this one is gone fatter, and this one is okay, but this one is his problem. Okay, let's open this. And this on the battery connector, and here is a very simple way to open this, and you just pull this here. It's okay. Did you feel that? And this one and this one, pull this here, and after that okay, battery connection is open. Just remove this, and I need to open this processor heatsink, because of maybe that paste has gone dry. This is the basic cleaning. Okay, this is the basic work you have to be do your laptop. Here is one screw for opening this. Let's open. Okay, dye thermal paste. Okay, this one is clean. Cooling fan is clean, no problem. And I need to add some thermal paste. This one clean, this one also clean. Okay viewers, and I wanted to change this battery, but unfortunately this battery is not matched with this, and this battery size is okay, base is not matched. Okay, this one and this one you can see here, but this is not matching with this. This is the difference of the laptop battery. You can see here is a little bit change. Okay, when you purchase the new battery you have to be check this, and you can see this side also change, and this side, and here is a, this one is has a clamp but this one is not, and that's why I did a one thing in this battery, with this battery, and I just hold this laptop battery from here and block this with the cross tip, and this one also. Right now this one is sleep. Definitely I will change this battery as soon as possible if I can. Okay, let's install this, and after that, after purchasing another battery I will attach. Okay, reinstall the old battery. Laptop is turning on, but right now you can see this, all this, everything is labeled. Okay, it's working fine, and this one also working fine. Okay viewers, thanks for watching, and here is one suggestion to everyone. And when you use the laptop, don't plug in the 24/7 your charger cable, and sometimes you have to be release this charging system, and you have to be use the laptop battery. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching.